All right, today we're going to start finding the angle measures of triangles. I gave you a copy in the notes of this page. Triangles have 3 sides and 3 angles, and the 3 angles always add up to 180 degrees. Don't forget that. They equal 180 degrees. We have a right triangle, a triangle with a right angle, and the little box right here tells you that it is a right angle right here, and it's 90 degrees. We have an obtuse angle. One obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees, and 2 acute angles. Scalene, a scalene triangle is a triangle that has 3 unequal sides. Isosceles triangle has 2 sides of equal length. Equilateral triangle in which all 3 sides are equal. No matter the size of the angle, all angles of the triangle equal 180 degrees. Today we are going to practice finding the angle measures of a triangle. So I have a right triangle. This box equals 90 degrees. So I want to fill that in right there. So 90 plus 32 plus x equals 180. Okay, so I want to add 90 plus 32, which is 122, so 122 plus x equals 180. And then I want to subtract 122 from 180. So 180 minus 22, 180 minus 122 is 58. So this angle measure is 58 degrees. Okay, let's do this next triangle. 78 plus 56 plus x, and the triangle equals 180 degrees. I want to add 78 plus 56, get 134, and then equals 180. I want to subtract 134, so 180 minus 134 equals 46. So x equals 46. This angle measure equals 46. All right, you will practice finding angle measures and naming triangles on today's assignment.